You know you should.
This is your boy Super 6. Currently, we changed the light crank pulley. We had some issues, but we did it. So changing the light crank pulley. Get my hands out the way. Oh, switch this camera around. I'm gonna show this way. So yeah, change it. That is. So if you had to take off the fan, yeah, issues. You know, the little part where you blitz the pulley, it went all the way out. So I tried to cut it off as soon as I recognized me turning the car on, but the thing went just a little tad bit too far. But we got out. And we back to it. Things gonna happen. It's part of the deal. And trying to be smart with it. So we got it. So next step is just to put it in. So to show you, this is what it look like when you take it out. Just like this. So we're gonna look at video from our reference and for everybody else reference how the belt went. So, alright. And there we go.
Just got a balance on it.
Alright, this is the difference between the two.
Yeah, we got you.
This is real light compared to this. Real light. That's a fitting. The bushing. I seen people deal with this, and then I just seen people stick it back on. So, which way the correct way? Probably to use that bushing. So, and we got the bolts right here. This is the original, and this is the new bolt. So, yeah. So this is definitely going on. Just going on with my Supercharger. So make sure we go ahead and get that 430 to the wheel. No, it's a little, like I said, this thing is heavy. Somebody would catch this before they try to catch this. So crazy. Yeah, that was a mess taking it. So that's the belt, and this will look like with all. So, let's see, we ain't did nothing but took the air intake off. Recommend you take that off, and we took the fan out too. So. Regular fan. So, yep. Catching back on the next part of this, and you'll see what it look like when it's on. Alright, just to show you that it's on, you'll need to use a mallet. Put it on. It fits right in there. You have to just turn this, and you'll find the key. Be snug right into there. So, alright, how are you? The only thing you gotta do is put the belt on and everything back, do everything backwards. Smooth sailing from here. Alright, love YouTube back. We got back on, it's back on there finally. We got the belt on. Try to get real close as you can see. Everything's back on. what you need to do is make sure you use a torque wrench. 30 pounds of torque. On this belt, on this pulley, there's a keyhole. So you want to use the keyhole to stop this from moving. And then you want to torque it down. Make sure it's 30 pounds of foot pounds of torque. So make sure you do that. It's next to the engine wall. So, all right. Now, one thing that put that together. Let's see how she rides.
Blow your white back up over there.
Yeah, we gonna plug it. Hey, how you doing? You welcome.
When y'all finish, show me some pictures.
I will.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, plug it. I'm gonna let you put that thing back on there. I'm gonna plug this up here. Put that on. All right. Oh, you. No, yeah, put that back on. That's, yeah, I'm done. Shoes up. What's that back there?
There goes the champ right there.
Come out.
There you go, folks. We got it on. The only thing I had to do is put the cold air intake on. And we're gonna take it for a little ride. I ain't got my GoPro with me, but we're gonna take it for a little ride. Alright. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Sleepy 6. We here, man. We finally made the fast lane, and we about to get this mug popping, man. We gonna reach our light goals. Definitely gonna get our light goals. Light goals and horsepower. Had a little brain scramble, but yeah. So be here. Definitely, as you see behind me, it's fast lane. Nice. I already did the document stuff, so I should get it back soon. So we'll see how it is. And once I get back, it's gonna be a lot more content. Things like the maintenance of it, and what it takes, and what else things I could do to like make it better. And so there's still another part I ain't added on to my vehicle, so I may have to go back and tune it again. So there's a lot more. It doesn't stop there once I get the install. So she's gonna be supercharged. Right. So we about to have a lot more fun in the next week. So as this video is being recorded. So catch y'all on the next one.